Hi, I am your friend Avinash and today's video topic is forms in Angular. Every application comes with forms to be filled in by the users. Angular forms are used to log in, update profile, enter sensitive information and perform many other data entry tasks. Now we see types of Angular form. There are basically two types of Angular forms. Template driven approach and reactive approach. Template driven approach, in this method the conventional form tag is used to create forms. Angular automatically interprets and create a form object representation for a tag. Controls can be added to the forms using the ng model tag. Multiple controls can be grouped using the ng control group module. A form value can be generated using the form value object. Form data is exported JSON values when the submit method is called. Basic HTML validation can be used to validate the forms field. In this case of custom validation, directives can be used. This is the simplest way to create an Angular app. Next one is reactive form approach. This approach is the programming paradigm oriented around data flows and propagation of change. With reactive forms, the component directly manages the data flows between the forms control and the data models. Reactive forms are code driven under the template driven approach. Next, reactive form break from the tradition declarative approach. Reactive forms eliminate the anti-pattern of updating the data model via two-way data binding. Typically, reactive form control creation is synchronous and can be unit tested with the synchronous programming techniques. Form controls. Form control is a class that enables validation for each input field. An instance of this class is created. These instances help to check the value of the field and see if they are touched, untouched, dirty, valid, invalid, and so on. Form group class represent a group of controls. A form can have multiple control groups. The form group class return true if all the controls are valid and also provide validation errors if any. Thank you. That's all about forms in Angular.